Hello everyone, this is Michael Smith with Tech2. Today I want to go over how to restore model data when we move forward from the scan window. If you ever move forward and you notice that there's model data, especially data that you need, whether it's a prep or whatnot, we can actually restore that data as long as we know we originally had it. So we go back to our scan window. We're going to unlock our image catalogs. In doing so, we can notice here that we have all the data that we need. When we move forward to the model step, we didn't. Also, you can come up here, click on complete reconstruction. That way you get the entire volume of what you scanned in the model window. The reason we have reduced reconstruction is just to simply make the file sizes smaller. But sometimes when you have a case that's articulated in a weird way or a different way, it might lose some of that data. If it does, this is just a quick, easy way to get it back. This will prevent you from actually having to rescan. So then we get to the model step and we see that all of our data is restored. But anyway, we want to thank you today. Thanks for joining us, and stay tuned for more videos.